Do Not Disturb in iOS 12 can be used to block notifications from making any sound, buzzing, or turning on the screen. It's very helpful during meetings and also during sleep. Let me show you how to activate it now. Here I am on the home screen. To activate Do Not Disturb, simply swipe up from the bottom. This will open up Control Center. Then you'll see the moon icon in the middle. Tap it, and Do Not Disturb is enabled. Now, no notifications will come to the screen. This is very helpful during meetings or any other event that you should not be disturbed in, like homework or school. Another way to use Do Not Disturb is to schedule it. Let me go ahead and turn it off and then show you how to schedule it. So you're going to want to open the Settings app, scroll down to Do Not Disturb, see where it says Scheduled. I'll turn mine off. What it's going to show when you first turn on is this Off button. Turn it on and then click the From To button. This should be the time you approximately go to bed, so I'm going to say 11 p.m. And this should be the time that you wake up. Let's say 7:30. Now it's set. You never have to worry about it ever again.